Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to reset the phone settings to the default settings without deleting data. It is a very easy method that does not require any programs. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, thank you to everyone who supports me. Thank you to everyone who clicked like and shared the channel. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, please, and not in order. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step we do is go to the settings. After that, we go down. We will find the system and updates. We click on it. Then we will find reset here. If you do not find reset here, it is okay. After that, you go to the settings, then you go to the settings search engine. After that, you click on the search engine and write reset. Reset will appear for you. Click on it. After that, you will find 3 types of reset. We will only reset the settings to the default settings. We click on it, and as you can see here, nothing will be deleted. Then we click on reset at the bottom, and here the settings will be reset to settings. Virtual, this was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video.